Yep. Some more e-waste to destroy.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with this fan, but let's just see what happens if we keep throwing stuff into it. Well, it's going super fast. We got all sorts of stuff we can throw into here. We got, what do we got? We got a piece of an alarm clock. Oh my god. We have what is this? I don't know what this is. Come on, you're supposed to. Jesus. Why isn't it spinning anymore? This one seems to be caving in way more than the other one. The fancy aluminum fan blade. I don't know what to call those things. I'm so close to coming off. Come on, Harbor Breeze. Thought you were a good brand. I don't know what metal that is, but it's off. Oh. Stupid circuit tripping. Give me that. Ah. There we go. Where's that other one? Right there. The light and the cooling. Ugh. No more fancy light bulbs. This one's undamaged. Alright, I'm gonna unscrew this and then be back, so give me 1 second. And we're back. Big thing of steel. Oh, there's the actual ceiling fan. Now we gotta unscrew all the Almost the screws are already rounded off for me. That's great. Yep, I'm not able to remove most of them, so we need to open this thing up. So let's just try and break it open, I guess. It's the only thing we know how to do. And don't cry over this thing. I thought it dumped on the side of the road. And break those damn screws off. I'm not used to swinging like that. Pause. It's all falling apart. Fancy light fixtures. Wow, a max 60 watts. So advanced. Come on, we gotta break those damn screws off. Damn it. Yeah, it's about all I can do without like destroying the concrete underneath, so that's it.